I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Change by Deftones on acoustic guitar. We'll begin by learning the iconic main riff, which uses standard tuning. Pay close attention to the arpeggiated picking pattern, ensuring each note rings out clearly. This riff sets the atmospheric tone for the entire song. Next, we'll tackle the foundational open chord shapes that drive the verse sections, building a solid base for the rest of the track. Moving on, let's focus on the verse and pre-chorus sections. The verse utilizes clean, open chord voicings, often played with a gentle strum or fingerpicking. Practice transitioning smoothly between these chords, maintaining a consistent tempo. The pre-chorus builds tension, typically involving a slightly more aggressive strumming pattern and a shift in chord progression. Aim for a clear dynamic contrast between these two parts, preparing for the chorus. Now we'll dive into the powerful chorus and the atmospheric bridge. The chorus features more robust, strummed chords, delivering the song's emotional core. Focus on a full, resonant strum to capture its intensity. Following this, the bridge offers a distinct change of pace, often with sparser, more ethereal chords and a slower tempo. Practice maintaining precise rhythm and timing through these contrasting sections, ensuring a cohesive performance. Finally, let's address the guitar solo and the outro. While the original solo is electric, we can simplify it for acoustic playability by focusing on its melodic essence and key notes. Practice bending and vibrato techniques where appropriate. The outro typically features a repeating, fading chord sequence. Concentrate on achieving good sustain and clear note articulation throughout, allowing the final chords to resonate beautifully as the song concludes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.